0 or 1, Mantissa in base 10, and exponent in base 10 of the following numbers. Here we have two negative numbers. Let's do them one by one. Let's look at the A part. In the A part, we have negative 118.72562,500, and this is a negative, so the sign bit is going to be 1. And to find out the Mantissa and the exponent, we have to convert them, this one, into binary. To do that, we just take the positive part of it, that is 118.726562,500. When we are converting a decimal into binary, we do the integer part separately and the fractional part separately. Let's take the integer part. 118 divided by 2, that gives us 59, and the remainder is 0. And then 59 divided by 2, that is 29, and the remainder is 1. And 29 divided by 2, that is 14, and the remainder is 1. And then 14 divided by 2, that is 7, and the remainder is 0. And then 7 divided by 2, that is 3, and the remainder is 1. And then 3 divided by 2, that is 1, and the remainder is 1. And then 1 divided by 2, that is 0, and the remainder is 1. Okay, and then we read from bottom to top. So this is 1110,110. Now we have done the integer part. Now let's go ahead and do the fractional part. The fractional part of this one is 0.726562,500. So to find out the binary equivalent of this one, we have to keep on multiplying this one by 2 until we get 0.0000. So if we multiply this one by 2, that gives us 1.453125. Here we have 1 in front, so we put it right there, and then 0.453125 times 2, that is 0.90625. 0 in front, so we put it right there, and then 0.90625 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.8125. 1 in front, we put it right there, and then 0.8125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.25. 1 in front, we put it right there, and 0.625 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.5, and 1 in front, we put it right there, and then 0.25 multiplied by 2, that is 0.50. 0 in front, so we put it right there, and then 0.50 times 2, that is 1.00. We have 1 in front, so we put it right there, and then we got 0.00, and we stop right there, and then we read from top to bottom. So if we do that, that's 110,111,101. This is the number we have. This is the conversion of this positive decimal in binary. Now to find out the exponent, what we have to do is we have to move this decimal point to the first one and see how many times we are moving. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to move 6 times to the left, so it's a positive 6. Exponent is 6, and once I move, the new number we are going to have is 1.110,110,110,111,101. And if I convert this number into binary, that is the Mantissa. So if I convert this, I get 1.85. okay, if I convert this one into decimal, okay, this is binary. If I convert this one to decimal, I get the Mantissa. 1.85510,25390,62500, and this is our Mantissa. Okay, that's the A part. Now let's look at the B part. In the B part, we have negative 240.69140, 69140, and then 6250. And since this is a negative number, we put a sign bit, that is 1. And then we take the positive part of it, that is 240.69140 we figure that one, we convert this one into binary, then only we can find out the exponent and the mantissa. So when we are converting a decimal into binary, we deal with the integer part separately, fractional part separately. If I take the integer part, that is 240, and divide this one by 2 until I get 0, so 120 and the remainder is 0, and then 120 divided by 2, that is 60 and the remainder is 0, and then 60 divided by 2, that is 30 and the remainder is 0, 30 divided by 2, that is 15 and the remainder is 0, 15 divided by 2, that is 7 and the remainder is 1, 7 divided by 2, that is 3 and the remainder is 1, and then 3 divided by 2, that is 1 and the remainder is 1, 1 divided by 2, that is 0 and the remainder is 1. Okay, and then we read from bottom to top, so we get 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0, and then this is the this is the integer part. Now we have to look at the fractional part. In the fractional part, we have 0.691406250. We keep on multiplying this one by 2 until we get 0.0007. If I multiply this one by 2, that gives us 1.3828125. Since we have 1 in front, we put it right here, and then 0.3828125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.765625, and here we have 0 in front, and then 0.76525 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.53125. Here we have 1 in front, we put it right here, and then 0.53125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.0625. Here we have 1 in front, we put it right here, and then 0.0625 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.125. 0 in front, we put it right here, and then 0.125 multiplied by 2, that is 0.25. 0 in front, we put it right here, and then 0.25 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.50. 0 in front, we put it right here, and then 0.50 multiplied by 2, that is 1.00. 1 in front, we put it right here, and then we read this one from top to bottom. This is 0.10110001, and to find out the exponent of this one, we move this decimal point to the front, so like 1 to the left side, because we want to bring it to the in front of the first one, that is right here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 moves I have to make to bring it here. So the exponent is positive 7, since we are moving to the left. Exponent is positive 7, and if I convert after I move, I get this one 1.11000010110001. After I move this one, if I find out the decimal equivalent of this, that is the mantissa. I'm going to erase this one, and if I find the decimal equivalent for this, that gives me 1.880401611328.125, and this is our mantissa. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.